Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. Today we're going to be talking about Jerome Powell, and today is April 27th, 2021. Tomorrow is April 28th, 2021, and Jerome Powell will be speaking with President Biden at about 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so this is very important because he's going to be talking about inflation, about the economy, about all sorts of things. Not like his last interview where he talked about, where if you were tuned in his 60-minute interview, his last interview, he talked about biking, and and his interviewer asked him if it was risky for the head of the Fed to be biking because it's risky. I kid you not. The head of the Federal Reserve talked about biking and golf when he was supposed to be talking about the economy. Not him, but the interviewer. It was strange, but that's besides the point. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna see some interesting things, or depending on when you're watching this, it's interesting because Jerome Powell can literally drop the market by talking. It's awful. Like, just shh. Stop talking. Every time Jerome Powell's gonna talk, the market crashes in anticipation of him talking. And then after he talks, if it's not that bad, it climbs right back up. But if it is bad, then it crashes even harder. So we need to stay tuned with that, and I will be I will make a video on that as soon as it's done. As soon as the interview, or as soon as the Biden and Powell are done talking, I will make a video right away. But this is how you can kind of prep for this. So we all know that today CCIV and Lucid, and they kind of, CCIV is Lucid, sorry. CCIV and Tesla kind of sold off. And we need to watch them, and you might be able to get a very nice entry point if you're just starting in, or if you're trying to average down, or even if you're averaging up but you just want to get more shares at a cheap price, or at a reasonably cheap price. You definitely want to watch today and tomorrow, today after hours and tomorrow, pre-market and the whole day, just to see what happens. And it's very interesting because we might be able to get great deals and have no other market issues and just buy that dip and then keep going. And for those of you that don't know me, my philosophy is kind of like me, Kevin's, is just buy the dip and keep going with those high conviction plays. I don't think you should go over 10 stocks unless if you really need to, because you feel like you're too closed in on one sector. However, I don't believe that if you're at a younger age you need to be over diversified, or like very diversified. You just kind of need to have a balanced portfolio that you're happy with and that you're very convicted about the companies you're investing in. Anyways, it's besides the point. Jerome Powell can tank the market tomorrow, and that will be a nice buying opportunity. So just a quick talk saying, make sure you're looking at the market. Make sure you're looking at those stocks that you like. Make sure you see, is there a dip coming? Is this dip going to hold? What did Jerome Powell say? Which I will be talking about as well tomorrow. And really pay attention to these key signals, as it will allow you to get great prices on the stocks that you want, and you're gonna be able to make returns much quicker if you're a trader. And if you're a hodler and you're a long-term investor, you can just buy in at a nice price and hold more shares for a long period of time. And so I just say, be cautious in this next week with the big companies' earnings reports, with inflation fear. But when fear is over, or even if there's still fear but there's clarity on the fear is gone. So don't worry too much about the market when fear is upon us. Focus more on just letting fear subside, and then when there's clarity in the market, that's when stocks start to go up. So buy when there's fear. Buy when everyone's terrified. When people are like, oh, it's going to crash. If you really believe in the company, buy the dip. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what you should be doing if you really want to make great returns. Okay. Anyways, that's about it. Make sure you have some cash ready for tomorrow. You need some ammo. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and subscribe if you are new. And send this to one of your friends if you think that they might want to get prepped for Jerome Powell's speech tomorrow, just in case he tanks the market. And start investing with Public, where you can see my trades. If you hit the link down below, you can add me, or it'll automatically add you if you do use my link. And you get up to $50 for free just for signing up with Public of any stock of your choice. Remember, that's up to $50 of any stock of your choice. So I got $5 of Tesla for free just for signing up. Okay, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset. Stay safe in the market tomorrow. I'll see you.